All right, so the things that you need, this one you know already. All right, calculator, please, is super important. Please bring your calculator to school. And if your friend want to borrow your calculator, please no borrow already. Cannot borrow already. All right, please, at least you have your own things. Then your friend will be a little bit kanchong. He or she will go and buy their own calculator. Don't disturb you already for that. All right, as you know, we got 53 more days to your what? To your PSLE as of 10 August. All right, it's counting down. All right, it's getting nearer, but you're getting there also. All right. So this one is the paper 2. You know how is the marks being distributed. So according to the 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, usually got 1 or 2 questions that is 5 marks only. All right, I think got 2 lah. All right, so that 2 questions, right? You don't have to get the full 5 marks. I just let you know. All right, the 5 marks question usually is being broken down into like 2 parts. If you can get the first part and maybe the second part with a little bit of working, right? You still can get about 3 out of 5. Not bad, right? 3 out of 5 is better than 0 out of 5. Can you see or not? So whenever you have a question that's 5 marks, very heavy one, don't panic so much. All right, if you have the clue, write down the clue. Use a little bit of E to M, use a little bit of KPO to list out some of the answers. All right, your teacher may give you marks here and there. So out of the 5 marks, you get 1 mark is better than 0 mark. Can you see or not? So at least you still have to try. Don't worry. The 3 marks and the 4 marks one, of course, you must try to secure all the 3 marks question in order to score at least 80%. Can? All right, so let's move on. Okay, let's talk about Alicia. Alicia bought a handbag for $428. Okay, after a discount of 20%. So what is the story? The story is always like that. Like originally, all right, originally the price of the handbag is at 100%. Then the shop say, hey, great Singapore sale lah, or don't know, 8 August, so some discount and all this. Okay, there's some discount. So the discount in this case, right, is a 20%. And how much must you pay? All right, how much must you pay? So in total, you only got to pay 80%. And please understand that this word paid, right? This paid, right? Another word is called discounted price. So you must know the different terms. So the discounted price is 80%. Can? Okay, let's take a look at the question. I haven't read the question yet, all right? But I just saw the discount, so I write that out at the side already. Alicia bought a handbag for $428. So she only paid what? She only paid $428. Is that true? All right. She paid $428 for the handbag. She paid $428. She paid 80%. Oh, that means what? That means that 80%, right, that she paid. All right. And 428 that she paid. Are they the same thing? They are the same thing. All right. So you have the first clue already. So how? You try to go and find what? Can I find 20% for fine? All right, I don't have to find 1%, children. I don't have to find 1%. I can find 20%. All right, I look for a number that's easy to divide. 80, how to get to 20? Divide by 4. If I divide by 4 on the left, I can actually divide by 4 on the right. All right, so 428, right? If you divide by 4, what do you get? You get 107. Is that true? All right, use your calculator. Oh, that's true. Better check. All right. 428 divided by 4 is 107. Can use calculator, use calculator. Don't be shy. Can? Then what happened? All right. Then can I purposely go and find 100%? Even though I haven't finished the question. All right. Why do I want to find? Because I can. I capo a bit. All right. So 20%, how to get to 100%? Times 5. So if I do that on the left, remember to do that on the right. So write out the steps, please, children. 107 times 5 is equal to, press your calculator, is equal to 535. And children, when we talk about percentage, can you please use the arrow instead of the equal sign? Can? So what do we know? We know that what? 20% is on the handbag. That means this 107 is what? 107 is the 20% is the discount on what? Discount on handbag. So you have all this little information for you. And this 535 is the what? This 535 is the actual price of the handbag. Actual handbag. So sometimes you can write all this little wording, all right, just to remind you what is it. All right, Nicole, the discount is not 28%. The discount is what? Look, she also bought a purse at 28% discount. So that 28% discount is the purse. Can you see or not? Careful, careful. So this one, yellow color is the purse having a 28% discount. Careful. All right. What am I doing now is I'm talking about the handbag. I haven't read to the purse that portion yet. Careful, Okay. So the question says the total discount for the handbag and the purse is 1 to 1. Oh, there's a total discount. There's another clue. All right, total discount of handbag and purse is 1 to 1. So total discount is how much? So the total discount come from what? Come from the purse and also the handbag. Is that true or not? All right. And guess what? Do we know the discount given to the handbag? Yes. Né? Right. So excited. 107. This is 107. Can you see? And the question did say, the total is 1 to 1. Okay. So what is the discount given to the purse? So again, I can find all this. I find first. It's okay. So the discount given to the purse is, I take $121 minus $107. Can you see or not? So sometimes, right, you read a little bit, you do a little bit. Don't stress yourself. The discount on the purse is $14. All right, this is the discount on the purse. Then you read back the sentence. Read back the sentence. What did the question say? The purse was given a 28% discount. The purse was given a 28% discount. The discount on the purse is $14. What can you tell me? What can you tell me? Can you tell me that they are the same thing? Can you see? All right, read again. The purse has a 28% discount. The discount given to the purse is $14. Same. All right. So let me do my working at the bottom here. So you can say same. 28% discount given to the purse is actually $14. So what you do? Go and find 100%. But before that, go and find 1% first. So 28, how to get to 1? You divide by 28 on the left. Remember to divide by 28 on the right to be fair. And this will give you a 50 cent, I believe. Can I find 100%? To find the original price of the purse. So 50 cent times 100. That will be how much? Is it $50? Don't know, press calculator. 50 cent times 100 is equal to $50. Okay, I still haven't read what the question wants. Let's read. What was the price of the purse before the discount? Answer $50. Woo! Can you see? So you always have to look for the linkage. Where to find the linkage? The clue. The clue will slowly bring you to the linkage. All right. So if you can do a bit first. Read properly. Read sentence by sentence. Don't stress yourself too much. 3 marks, not too bad. Okay. All right. Moving on. Question 7. In an event, the adults are divided equally into 2 groups. Group A, there is the what? The man and the woman. Okay. Let's talk about group A first. Green color. Man is to woman. So inside group A, what do we have? Okay, group A, there is man and woman. Sure, can I write M and W? Children, my advice to you, right? PSLE, you take 1 time, right? You do this 1 time nicely for your teacher. Just spell out for your teacher will do. Abi, my answer looks like a S0, is it? Let me see. Oh, okay. Children, very good thing that Abi point out. Handwriting, very important. All right, don't write a S0. So, the answer is so. No. It's $50. Can you see or not? So better write properly. Once your teacher don't understand your handwriting, bam, teacher will not give you the marks. Thank you, Abi. All right. So down here, group A, right? Man versus woman is what? 4:1. Okay, Ken. This is the first information that I have from the question. Let's take a look at the second piece of information. Yellow. In group B, what happened? The ratio of the number of men to women is 1:3. Okay. So there's a group B. Okay, group B. So what am I doing now? I'm just listing out my clues. So instead of reading the whole paragraph again, I summarize it into my own clues. 1:3. All right. And guess what? What is the linkage? What is the ultimate clue? The ultimate clue, right? The linkage is actually here. The adults are divided equally into 2 groups, which means what? Group A, the number of adults, and group B, the number of adults is the same number. So it means what? Total must be the same. Total on both sides must be the same. All right. Total on both sides must be the same, right? Because the question says so what? All right. Both sides must be equal in terms of number. Okay. But total, I don't have total. I only got man and woman. Then how? Fine lah. So you open a column for yourself, total. 4 plus 1 is a 5. All right. Then down here, total. 1 plus 3 is a 4. Sure. The total not the same lah. Correct lah. Simple reason is because, right, the total is at different level. So how? Make it to the same level. Look for something called LCM. So your focus is on the total, 5 and 4. They are supposed to be the same, but they are different. So how? LCM. LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Think of your 5 timetable. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, Siva. Yes, Nico, you got it. 4 timetable, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20 is the common number. So how? Everybody in the 5 portion times 4 to give you a 20. So everybody must times 4. Those in the 4 one must times 5 down here. Can you see? So everybody in this line must times 5. So down here, right, you purposely try to bring every one of them to the same level already. So my advice to you is to rewrite it out again. All right, so this is a new, this is the same level, new ratio. All right, so you adjust them. Can? Okay, so in group A, what do you have? So in group A, I also have my man versus woman. And because my ratio, right, I need to times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, woman 1 times 4 is 4. And the total now is what? 20. Okay, versus what? Versus group B now. All right, versus group B now. Woman versus group B. Group B, the man versus the woman. Once again, look into your left-hand side. 1 must times 5, 3 must times 5 to give you a 15. And down here, guess what? The total is what? The total is 20. Sorry. So 20, 20 and 20 is the same already. Total is the same. That's what you want. Yes. Means that the ratio are all balanced up already. Now, let's look at the execution. All right, execution. What is the answer? What is the ratio of the number of men in group A to the number of women in group B? So you're looking for the ratio of number of men in group A versus the number of women in group B. So answer is 16 is to 15. 3 marks. Okay or not? Not too bad. Okay. All right, it's okay. You can do it one. Can you see or not? So this type of question must score or not? Of course must score lah. All right. So do understand that the ratio are usually at different level. You have to adjust it to the same level for comparison to take place. Is that okay? All right, moving on. Question 8. In January, 60% of a reading club of 125 members were girls. All right, so this statement down here, check out this statement. 60% of, English to math, cannot. Do we have the total? Reading club, who is inside the reading club? The members, right? Oh, that means the members is the what? The members is the total, right? Can you see or not? So do we have the total? All right, we are talking about the reading club. So the total, do we have? Yes, 125 members. So can we do that thing? Yes, Siva, E to M. All right, but you don't tell your teacher what is E to M. Your teacher also scratch it. What is E to M? All right, this is between you and me. English to math. 60% can be written as 60 over 100. What's the meaning of off? Off means times. Do we have the total? Yes, we have the total. We can use E to M. So 125 members. Press your calculator, please. All right, don't go and cancel already. 60 over 100. I know that your mental sum is strong, but my advice is still use your calculator. 75 what? 75 were girls. Were is the past tense of are. Are is the plural of is. They means equal. So 75 is girls. 75 are girls. 75 were girls. And the rest were boys. So can I go and find boys? Use KPO. All right, KPO to find boys. So I got 125 members minus 75 is what? Press my calculator. 125 minus 75 is equal to 50. 50 boys. All right, so I automatically go and find my boys. Can you see? Okay, wait. Part A. In January, how many of the members were girls? Woo! 1 mark, 75 girls lah. Secure it. I got it already. But who called me go and KPO, right? Go and find the boys, right? But it's okay. All right, I need it later also. Is that okay? So along the way, you get the marks. Let's go. All right. So what's the next part of the question? Part B. Let's take a look.